What's the meaning of blustery? Blustery. Blustery.
Blustery. Blustery. The word blustery refers to weather conditions that are characterized by strong gusts of wind, often accompanied by rain or snow. When the wind is blustery, it can make it difficult to walk or stand, and it can also cause branches to break off trees or power lines to go down. Blustery conditions are often associated with storms and can be dangerous for anyone who is outdoors. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe a person who talks loudly and aggressively, without much substance or depth. This type of behavior is often seen as annoying or bothersome to others.